Okay, so I'm kind of getting an outfit together already. But yeah, this is what it looks like the next day. It's fully dry now. I am shocked. Seriously, like I'm really, really shocked. I am really, really surprised by the results. I thought it would look like this kind of like purple muddy mess. Like I didn't think it looked anything like it has done. So yeah, it's turned out amazing. Can't wait to put this on. So I'm gonna try this on and put together like a full outfit, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So yeah, super excited. So I will see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the whole kind of outfit I put together. So I kind of decided to put like a black belt with it, and obviously the handbag that I use for every outfit. This is my favourite handbag, as you can tell. And then I put this like little black jacket with it, and also the shoes. What it looks like if I take away the black and just have the handbag. Obviously I'm going to leave the shoes on, but I'll show you what it looks like. And yeah, really gorgeous, this dress, not gonna lie. It looks really nice when the sun hits it. There was a little bit of sunshine today, but it's kind of gone a bit dark now, so you can't really see like the colours in their full bloom, which is such a damn shame. But they still look nice anyway, even though it's a little bit dark. Yeah, if I kind of stretch it out, you can kind of see how the colours just all kind of blended in, which I thought was super nice, and it gave it like that special character. Yeah, so this is what it looks like close up. It's really nice. Just kind of show the jewellery. Can maybe do a little bit of a close-up of that in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Oh my. Okay, so this is what my jewellery looks like up close. But yeah, this is a necklace that got gifted to me like a super long time ago, and I really love it, and I'm surprised it's lasted this long because of how old it is. But I like keeping like gifts for a long time. I think it's really nice to do that, and it shows like how much you appreciate those gifts and things. So yeah, it's a cute little crystal bow. I have some earrings to go with it, but I'm not wearing them at the minute. Let's kind of make sure this is in focus. And this is another necklace that got gifted to me. I can't remember who gave me this, but it's really pretty. It's got like a little heart. It's like the shape of a heart, and it's got like a little crystal in the middle, which is really nice. The other piece, this piece, was a little I believe it was a little keychain that I got with my dress that I bought from Lipsy London a few years back, and I kind of found it and I thought, oh, that'd look like really cute, so I'll put it with this necklace and then it should look really nice and cute. So yeah, even though I can't really mimic the sunlight, I'm gonna kind of show you how it sparkles by putting my like torch on my iPhone to give you a better idea of how nice it looks. Yeah,